I'm pretty sure it won't actually be purple. You're gonna. Well, I guess it's a little bit.
Well, flames are purple to begin with.
Also, you like orange.
Don't ruin the fun.
Ready?
Yeah.
Heidi, sit down, baby. Sit down.
You ready, Glenn? You gonna sing happy birthday?
Yeah, that
Okay.
bass tone,
Yeah.
toned voice.
Kind of a screechy, kind of horror movie kind of singing.
Sit down, baby. Here, sit down. There you go. Okay, ready?
I just realized you can do like cowboy voices, right?
Okay, ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Candle, get the candle. Happy birthday, dear Heidi.
The birthday has
Happy birthday to you.
Like, what was that? Snappy turtle?
She's like, holy frick, it's a hamburger. Candle and all. I knew that was going to happen.
She was like so silent about it. Just like so calm, poker face, and just like.
That was so funny. She's like, ooh,
I
lettuce?
don't want this. Oh, she might eat it.
Well, there's the burger. Show her the burger part. That was funny.
Like, I'm pretty sure if we didn't stop her, she would have ate the flake. She won't eat it.
She'd be like, oh, they fed me a hot hamburger.
Yeah, she's like, why is this burger so spicy?
That was funny.
Oh, yeah. Heidi's birthday. She can't eat the onion. Glenn, would you like the onion?